Hello guys, welcome to Ocean Point Beach Resort. So kararating lang namin from Davao to here at Lianga, Surigao del Sur. So yung bahay na pula ang roof, dyan tayo magstay overnight. So mag-tour muna tayo. So ito yung swimming pool nila, may for adult pool.
Adult pool ni
And
siya,
then,
tapos
the
kato
kids pool. And now, puntahan naman natin yung beach nila.
Adaan naman na. Mata kung sa vlogger.
So, meron din sila mga open cottages, which is malalaki. It can accommodate 50 to 100 persons. So guys, andito na tayo sa kanilang beach. So, ang linis ng beach. At ang lawak. So, yung beach nila guys, it's white sand. Malakas ng alon. Hindi pa rin
So, sa bolsa naman ako.
Morning view.
Ligo mo, be.
Ayan guys, ligo muna tayo. Let's enjoy the water.
Pagkapada ko si...
Video.
Ito lang.
So ito nga pala yung room na inoccupy namin. Meron siyang 10 beds. So 10 beds, good for 20 persons. So ayan, that's it guys. Enjoy this Christmas season. Thanks for watching.